Hello again, everybody. Another company. This is for bag and handbags company. So the job description for this is manufacturing and sales. This is located in Adachi-ku, Tokyo. So the job description again is manufacturing and sales. This is a bag company, and the salary starts from 195,000 to 285,000, and the language for this would be conversational Japanese. So if you are willing to apply for this job, you can call our office number at 036-206-8058, or you can also join our everyday job fair interview located at Kanda Station. So we have a schedule from Monday to Sunday. For Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, our time schedule is 11 a.m. and for Tuesday and Thursday, including the weekends, Saturdays and Sunday, will be 1 p.m. So if you want to join our interview, you can message us, or you can call our number. Thank you very much.